Hello babes, it's me Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Yes, this channel is a luxury makeup channel, but we do so much more. We vlog, we have live streams, we have a Bella After Dark. Do you want to know what that is? Well, in order to find out, you need to hit that subscribe button, and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload or go live. For all those returning, welcome back. Wow, we're just doing great things here, babes. I am so excited to be bringing you another palette from our friends at Sydney Grace. This is a collaboration between the Fancy Face, otherwise known as Tina here on YouTube, and Sydney Grace. This is Tropic Color. Brown Girl Bella. So excited to be bringing you this collaboration. When Tina first dropped that she was doing this partnership, I was like, oh my god, that makes perfect sense. She is what I would call the queen of color. She does such great vibrant eye looks. Now, you know, your girl is a little, risk averse to very bright colors. I do it every now and then, but that's not really my aesthetic. I'm more of a soft glam girl, but watching Tina makes you want to take the plunge. And so I thought this was great for those like me who are a little bit shy of doing like big, bold colors, but love the look. So I thought this would be a perfect time to share with you how I would approach this palette. I wanted to show you the full palette. So here's what they look like. Here are all the colors. So vibrant, so beautiful. I'm going to take one of the first two rows, and I'm gonna do one eye look on this eye and one eye look on the other eye so you can see the difference. I'm gonna start with this eye first, and I'm gonna do this first row right here, and then this eye will be the second look. So I will do 3 looks in all, 3 on one eye and 3 looks on the other eye. So stay tuned, we're gonna get to it. All right, first look is the first row, Coconut, Legume Vitae, and Tropical Punch. We're gonna go and plop that all over the eye. And this is using my Rephr number 27 brush. Next, we're going to take that middle shade, that blue, and we're going to concentrate that on the back half of the eye. And it's sort of like a lavenderish blue, as you can see. I'm going to go in with Tropic Punch, and we're going to put that right in the first half of the eye. And we're going to marry it into the center slowly but surely. And here is the first eye with a lash by Chandelier Lashes. Now let's do the second eye. Again, using that same Rephr number 27, we're going to go in with Rum Raisin now all over the eye. Go in next using a Rephr number 01 with Blue Maho. And that's going to be all over the lid. And then I'm going to follow that up with waterfalls. And we're going to put that right on top. Alright, and now there is the other eye using the second row. And I'm going up and down the rows. Alright, middle 2 rows coming up next. We're going to go Dr. Bird using that same brush, wiping off the color. We're going to deposit Rainforest in the back. And on this eye, we're going to use palm trees all over, followed by cane fields in the center of the eye, and then Hellshire in the inner corner. And here is look number 2 complete. Final look with the last 2 rows coming right up. Starting with sun rays all over yellow shade. Then we're going to go Dr. Bird. And then using that same brush, wiping off the color, we're going to deposit Rainforest in the back. This eye, we're going to use palm trees all over, and then Hellshire in the inner corner. And here is look number 2 complete. Final look with the last 2 rows coming right up. So I'm going to start with Warmers, which is that cerulean bluish color. And I'm going to start dotting this all over the eye. And what I love about her mattes, and really all of her colors, her formula is just so easy to blend. Milk River, which is that rust color. And I'm going to throw that right into the crease. Wiping off that same brush, I'm going to go into Maroon. And I'm going to do the same thing, just a little lower down with Maroon. Just to deepen up that color. I'm going to dip into Negril, which is that bluish color. And I'm going to run that all along. Also line the top with the same color. And then I'm also going to use Cocoa Bean, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer rim at the top and bottom. And then finally, wiping off that same brush, I'm going to go in with Grape Nut, and that's going to be on top. And here is the final look using this palette, Tropic Color. I am so uber proud of the Fancy Face Tina for collaborating on this wonderful palette. As you can see, even those like me, yes, you too, who are a little bit afraid of color, can see how you can put this palette together and make wearable eye looks that you can utilize either day or evening. Far and away, this palette has blown me away. I am so happy I have it. It does retail for $60, but this is an indie brand. Sydney Grace is. So know that when you're going in, when you pay for indie brands like this, they don't have a whole lot of overhead, so they have to put all that cost that they absorb into the actual palettes that they create. But what a beautiful creation. Again, I'm going to leave the link to this palette and Tina's kind of explanation, shade names, colors, why she chose what she chose, and her swatches, because I think they really do show up much nicer than I would do. But I am so happy I have this. I will definitely be doing more looks with this palette. If you have it, let me know in the comment section below how you like it. This is my finished and final look, the third look. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, kudos to the Fancy Face Tina for this awesome collab. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, you've been bellified.